Do I look funny? This is we made an accident, guys. See, because of snowfall and good morning, guys. See the snowfall. Wow. Even the roads are blocked. Even the cars and the roads are all covered up. Woo. See. So cold. See, it's still falling. The snow is still falling. Woo, it's too beautiful. We cannot see anything now. Yeah, such a good day again, and guys, we will be moving out to Kullu and we'll have some fun again there. So let's see, guys. Vehicle could pass by. All the vehicles stop by here already. And see a vehicle, it just slipped by itself and hit one car and also hit the hotel. क्या बोलेगा अभी जा पाएगा कि नहीं? Oh my god. We made an accident, guys. See, because of snowfall, so hit the car, and at the back it just hit the hotel. It's heavy snowfall. ये साइड ले लो. देखो, oh, क्या बोलेगा? It's like a heaven. It's like a heaven. It's like a heaven, guys. खत्म. So risky. इधर से प्रॉब्लम हो गया. निकल गया. वाह. मारते.
Happen guys.
क्या हो गया हम लोग को बोल दो.
Accident happen guys. मनाली में घूमने आए थे, एक्सीडेंट करा दिए.
कैसा करा दिया?
अभी पैसा मांग रहा है, पैसा कहाँ से मिलेगा?
क्या बोलेगा? यहाँ ही पार्किंग कर दिया. अपना जगह भी है. Actually guys, we made an accident here. I had a hotel parking, I don't know what to do. We're so sorry for that, but still, because of the heavy snowfall, we will solve it. Actually, we were about to move out in the morning, but because of heavy snowfall, we could not move out, and we even had to wait for the weather to come down. As you guys can see, everywhere is the snowfall. It's better now. How are you enjoying?
Yes, but now I'm scared to go.
Yeah, risky, but very risky. It's okay. God is there. God is looking after us. He will take care of us. So guys, we will move out to Kullu and we'll stay there and we'll have some. Oh! 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 See the bike. La la la. The grace of God in all my life. So beautiful, guys. It's all snow. It's heavy rainfall, heavy snowfall. See you. See, the weather is getting better now. It's getting better, but cloudy and the snowfall is still going on. यहाँ Gari. Anna, you okay? Wow. See the weather.
Everything you know is in your mind.
We will move on now. Bye bye. The Cutouts Grand Resort. Bye bye. जल्दी आओ दादा निकलना है अभी हम लोग निकलने वाला है खत्म We are heading to Kullu.
Are you all my person?
This is the way to Kullu, guys. So beautiful. Heading to Kullu. How about Smithy? You okay?
It's raining out here. Raining. It's not far.
And we have reached here at Factory Outlet, and some of our friends, they're doing marketing, shopping, so I'm still waiting here. Most of the stuffs in the Factory Outlet are just like muffler, clothes and cap, and socks and gloves and all this. I'm just chilling here and enjoying the view. You guys, if you guys want to see inside, I'll show you guys. Factory Outlet. It's here. You get to see so many things. Different types of clothes. This is in Kullu. Oh! ले लिया कितना दिया 1000 इतना पैसा है क्या तुम्हारा So this is it. I think this is good, ma'am. This is your color.
But I want
How much, ma'am? How much it costs?
350. This one is 350.
Oh, that's good. You can buy this then. It will suit you.
Oh.
Be careful. What are you buying, Deepika? You're gonna buy this? Sumanta itna busy buying stuff. Mummy ke liye?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, mummy ke liye.
It's good.
Ah, it's good, not bad.
Or should I take something?
No, this one is better.
This one is better, no?
That's your mom color. That's your mom's color. So look, देख रहा है. I think I'll buy this cape. कितना बोल रही है?
100.
100 मेरा मेरा ये साइज में होगा क्या ये क्या नेपाली का है या ब्रिटिश का है
या कुल्लू का है
कुल्लू का है this is Kullu's cape I just want to try guys I'll buy this I guess 100 रुपया do I look funny this is Kullu's cape अच्छा लग रहा है it's good अच्छा ही दिख रहा है 100 रुपये है ये तुम लोग भी ये फैक्ट्री आउटलेट में विजिट करने से ले लेना एक बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है
ले लो किस खरीदा
मेरा बिल पेमेंट कर रहा है guys I bought this Kullu's cap from this factory outlet I guess this will suit me I will try it later see the views man guys it's so amazing I cannot express how beautiful it is God's creation amazing so I'll be going back to my seat ले लिया मैंने
Hey! Shout, shout!